Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another review. It's been a little while since I've done one, but yeah, so I did receive this new sculpture clay box from Artify. This is one of their newer ones, and the company is mainly known for their watercolor brushes and other paint brushes, but this pottery set is new. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So we have many different tools, and then you have your little mat there as well. It's made of canvas, and the bag that the tools come in is a really nice sturdy canvas material as well. So we have two cutting tools there, and then your other forming and sculpture tools. And there's both ends can be used, which is nice for various things. Mine are a little bit dirty because I've been using these and testing them out. They are nice quality. I prefer the wood. I've had wood, metal, and plastic. So these are really nice quality. Then your cutter there, and this is for details or your cross hatching. When you want two pieces to stick together, you do the crisscross marks and then press them down, and then you have to blend in your edges. And this piece right here is, you can, if it's too long, you can roll it up a little bit, and then you just press down, and then it cuts the block of clay. One of the really great things about this set is that you can tell a lot of thought was put into this. It does come with a lot of information and ideas here as well for beginners. So there's some steps here, and then there's how to do a little vase, a little pot, a mug design, little animal projects. So there's lots to choose from. Also, you have your two large packages of clay, and there are two sanding blocks that are included, which is really nice too. So when your project is all done, you can buff out your edges, get everything nice and smooth before you start the painting process. And these are little extras that are included here. There's some letters and numbers on here, as well as a little texture tool from this plastic material. Then you can cut them up into individual pieces. There's a small yellow sponge, and then you have your white acrylic paint, some small little bottles here, as well as the different varnishes. One is just a matte finish, and then one has a little bit of a gloss to it. If you're somebody who's really organized and likes to plan things out, they have these little sheets here too as well. So you can do your little sketch and come up with a name for it and your whole process here, step by step. So there's 3 or 4 sheets of these here too for your preparation and planning. And we have a little plastic bowl here too for some water. Also, I just wanted to show that they have the directions on the back if this is your first time using something like this. Here I'm showing some of the things that I have made recently. These still have to dry. This one's been drying for just about a day, and then I can tell that it's still a little bit wet. It may be hard to see on camera, but you'll notice that some areas may be a little bit more gray, and then some might be white. See right there at the top, I can see the white. So you know that that piece is a little bit more dry than the rest of the body on the back there. So that needs a little bit more time. And that's just a trinket dish. I've seen those avocado ones and I thought they were really, really cute on Instagram. So I definitely had to make one of those. And I wanted to make myself a watercolor dish because I do a lot of watercolors. So I have this little crescent moon here. And then I just dug out the middle and then left the edges. When you're doing things like these, you can draw out a template, or you can just use your tools and just draw right on the clay. Here I have my final results. I just used some matte white and then the gloss on the moon, and then the regular acrylic paint on the avocado. Overall, I think that this is a really great set for beginners, anyone who's looking to start their own clay little sculptures or home pottery. This is definitely, it has everything that you will need and then some. So that is it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you next time.